Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the easiest way to generate your Instagram QR code on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Instagram. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com via a shortcut within bookmarks, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we will do, go to profile, go to where we have the username on the account, which is Computer Science Videos. This will obviously be different for yourself. Go to the top right corner, settings, cogwheel, and here we have an option to generate the QR code, which will take us to another page as part of Instagram. And the QR code helps people follow you quickly. People can scan your QR code with their smartphones, camera to see your profile. So we can then download and print your QR code and then stick it on your products, posters, and whatnot. We can also change the color if we need to. However, let's just keep it the way it is. Download the QR code. This will take us to the desktop, save, go to the desktop, and there we have it. The QR code for Computer Science Videos. We can have quick preview, go back to Safari, quick Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.